donate. One hand.
Oh! So stylish.
If you want to get a pair of things, come on.
I went for my dad.
Oh, he's Sith Lord. Thank you, thank you.
All right. So let's go forward 3.
I know.
Why are we going sideways?
Oh crap. Ah! Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh man.
That's really cool.
A lot more intense than I thought it would be.
Seriously, dude.
That was a big one.
Did you see the rock we went over? It was like right there.
Alright.
Take those feet under.
What does she call this one? First class?
First class 3. There's 3 of them.
Alright.
3 of these.
Class 3, here we come.
Hey, they made it. We'll be okay.
I hope you do.
Oh my god.
Oh, the rock! That's crazy. How does the boat not hit the rock when we just ran? It's
like
crazy.
pliable.
Like we went right over the rock.
Oh, there's a rock right there. You see it? It's like up.
Yeah, I don't want to go over that. Oh, check out that rock right there.
Whoa, yeah. It's kind of scary. Oh gosh.
You're gonna get wet.
Oh gosh.
Right there.
Ah, not bad, not bad. Iceberg ahead.
Iceberg.
Oh gosh.
That was crazy.
Oh wow.
Why do we lean so much?
Oh, here he goes. Don't fall in. Don't fall in. Jeez, that was fast.
Ugh.
Ahoy.
Cool.
Ahoy, Captain!
Cool. That was cool. You guys should really try that.
You want to fall in right here.
Don't do it. No.
You want to fall in.
Like right here?
Don't stand, it's slippery.
Got it!
You can do it now if you want.
Ride that bull.
Make sure you record. Don't fall in enough.
hand.
Am I good?
There you go.
Yeah! Yeah! What am I doing? Oh, am I staying? Am I
Yeah,
staying?
you're staying.
I'm doing this?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was it.
No.
Crap.
Hold on, really tight.
You're gonna die.
I'm scared. A little bit.
Donate one hand.
Oh my gosh! Ah!
Yeah! That was awesome. How?
I got drenched.
Yeah, so did we. You drenched us.
That was fun.
Hold on to the ropes in between your legs. Yep.
You'll be
Sit
all
back
right.
a little bit.
It's fun. You got it.
You got it.
Just hold on tight. Good. You got it. Got it. Two more.
Yeah. Confidence increasing. Oh crap. Oh man. Oh!
Careful.
Ride the bull, baby.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, this could be a good one, dude. Are your glasses on tight?
No, he's good. Both hands on the rope.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude.
Number 3.
Dave's going in the drink. You were like, hi.
Don't you die backwards. Going in backwards. We have 2 more rapids, our last 2 class 3s. One's right around this bend.
They look scared.
They're like sitting up right.
This is a class 3, the biggest one of the 3 we're doing, the great reveal.
was awesome. That was great.
Got good? Very much so.
Looks like you got it pretty good. Just like a Mario Party. We just did the survival river. We just survived.